A man who conquers himself is greater than one who conquers 1,000 men in battle. Welcome back to our channel. Subscribe to Easy Dentistry right now if you've not yet done. Also, do comment and let me know your feedback regarding our lectures, and most important of all, share these lectures with all your friends and share knowledge. On your request, I am starting again with the subject microbiology. I have adapted a different concept while uploading lectures on microbiology. I have gone through your old question papers for the past 10 years of different universities, and I would be uploading lectures based on the questions asked in the past exams. So if you like this concept, please let me know in the comments box. Now today's lecture on a 2 marks question which is asked, that is contributions of Louis Pasteur. Now this is a very basic question, but if you don't answer it, you will lose your 2 marks in your exams. So let's study what are the contributions of Louis Pasteur in microbiology. Louis Pasteur was a French chemist and he contributed a lot to the field of microbiology. The first contribution of Louis Pasteur is that he demonstrated that fermentation is as a result of the microbial activity. Because of the microorganisms, fermentation occurs. Second contribution is in sterilization. He introduced the steam sterilization, hot air oven, and autoclave. So these are the 3 important contributions of Louis Pasteur with terms of sterilization. Then the most important of all is the introduction of vaccine. Vaccine is a term which was coined by Louis Pasteur. So whenever you think about vaccine, think about Louis Pasteur. Now, how was this vaccine introduced or discovered by Louis Pasteur? Now, this discovery of vaccine was an accidental observation that chicken cholera bacillus cultures, when left on bench for several weeks, when these cholera bacilli was left on bench for several weeks, certain changes occurred in the cholera bacilli. That is, they become less pathogenic, that is, they lose their pathogenicity and they retain the ability to protect the birds against subsequent infection in the future. So it increases the protection against the disease, and it renders the bacilli less pathogenic. So when cholera bacilli was left on bench for several weeks, they lost their pathogenic property and they retained the property to protect the birds from future infection. This gave rise to the vaccine. Now, what is a vaccine? Vaccine is nothing but attenuated microorganisms. When these microorganisms are injected in animals, they give a protection to these animals against future infections. So the vaccines which were produced by Louis Pasteur include anthrax bacilli vaccine, cholera vaccine, and rabies vaccine. So this arc represents the 3 vaccines discovered by Louis Pasteur against anthrax bacilli, against rabies, and against the cholera. So remember, very important point, the 3 vaccines introduced by Louis Pasteur. Now let's summarize the contributions of Louis Pasteur. So whenever you are asked in exams why particularly, you have to say these following points as the contributions of Louis Pasteur. First, the process of fermentation caused by microorganisms was told to the world by Louis Pasteur. Secondly, the sterilization concepts like introduction of the steam sterilizer, the autoclave was given by Louis Pasteur. Then the basic techniques in microbiological procedures were introduced by Louis Pasteur. Then control of diseases in silkworm. He also worked on the diseases in silkworm and helped in the control of diseases. And the most important of all, the vaccine. The 3 vaccines against the anthrax bacilli, the rabies and the cholera. These were introduced by Louis Pasteur. So the world cannot forget the contributions of Louis Pasteur. Now, another important point here, the pasteurization. You know that the milk and other food products are pasteurized before we consume it. What is this pasteurization? The concept of pasteurization is named behind Pasteur, Louis Pasteur, in which the milk and food are heat treated to eliminate the pathogens present in them. So, a tribute to Louis Pasteur, the Pasteur Institute Paris, where the research is done on various vaccines, is present in Paris. So next time when you visit Paris, do visit the Pasteur Institute as well. So please let me know your feedback regarding our question based videos on microbiology. That's all for now. Happy studying.